Today is week 1, day 1 of the exercises. Today we're going to talk about the first exercise in PACE, which is drinking water or sipping water. We don't want to gulp it down, we simply want to sip. And you'll notice I am using a canning jar, a pint canning jar. These are very sturdy, they don't break very easily, and they're totally glass. When we use water bottles like this, we find that we have plastic tops, and the plastic will leak just microscopic bits into your system, which can be a hormone disruptor. So if at all possible, use pint jars. Of course, sometimes when you want to insulate your water and so forth, the other water bottle is appropriate. Now, drinking water, how much should you drink? The body's 2/3 water, and you need a lot of water. There are 2 formulas out there, half the body weight in ounces. The other one says 1/3 of the body weight in ounces. So whatever you need, it really depends a lot upon your health, your age, your size, what the weather is like, and so forth, how hot it is, how much water you really need. All the chemical and electrical functions in the body, the actions in the brain and the nervous system depend upon water. And water, please realize this, water is the only liquid that actually hydrates the body. Pop doesn't do it, fruit juices don't do it. Everything else the body sees as food. Water is the only fluid that hydrates the body. What depletes water out of your system? Environmental stress, emotional stress, psychological stress, physical workouts, mental workouts, working with electronics, and especially processed foods. What kind of water should you drink? I have here a PyMag waterfall by Nikon. It is, as I have found, to be the best thing to filter your water. It not only filters it, it structures it, it puts the minerals back in it, and it doesn't cost that much initially, and it doesn't cost that much to operate. It's a total gravity system, and so you don't need electricity. If you're interested in this, I would suggest that you get in touch with me at director.ascentacademy.com or at gmail.com. We've talked about how much you should drink, but why water otherwise? Why water? Because it improves concentration. It helps with the efficient storage of information and retrieval of that information. It's great before a test. It's great before a stressful situation. It actually serves as an anti-stressor. All academic and physical skills are improved. It alleviates mental fatigue. And lastly, of course, water helps clean your system. Well, that's about water. So, the first exercise that we're going to talk about is water. You sip a little bit of water, maybe 2 or 3 sips at the beginning of the day, and then at the beginning of each subject. It helps you to stay hydrated and to think better.